The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria organized a 3-day capacity building training workshop for the non-academic staff members of the university from Tuesday 11th October 2022 to 14th of October. The seminar, which was organized by the Director Founder's Office in collaboration with the Institute of Africa Higher Education Research and Innovation, was aimed at equipping the staff with the university ethical code of conduct for effective service delivery. Declaring the training program opened, the president of MAAUN, Professor Muhammad Israr, stressed the importance of the training, which he said would significantly improve the skills and efficiency of the staff in the discharge of their duties. Professor Israr lauded the organizers of the workshop for their commitment and dedication towards bringing up ideas that would not only ensure adherence to the rules and regulations of MAAUN, but would also enhance productivity among the university staff members. Earlier in the welcome address, the Director Founder's Office, Dr. Aliyu Miringa, noted that the seminar was designed to sensitize the staff of the university's rules of conduct, moral obligation and ethical standards, which dictate their duties and conduct as administrative officers. He described the seminar as a rare opportunity for all the staff, adding that at the end of the 3-day training program, all participants would be issued with a certificate of attendance. While presenting a paper, the Director Institute of Africa Higher Education Research and Innovation, Dr. Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, enjoined the staff to uphold the principle of truthfulness at all times and to shun away acts of indiscipline and negligence. Dr. Abubakar, who spoke at length on the do's and don'ts governing staff conduct, reiterated the need to shun corruption in all its ramifications, saying that corruption is a virus that impedes effective work ethics of every organization. He warned staff against divulging privileged information obtained in confidence in the course of discharging their duties as a means of gaining undue respect or making monetary gains as a practice contravenes the principle upon which the university was established. Also in his paper presentation, the Vice President's Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, urged staff members to always maintain the highest level of integrity and quality in the discharge of their official duties. He charged every staff member to transact the university's business in compliance with the applicable laws and MAAUN policy and procedure. According to him, all principal officers and members of the University Management Committee are expected to ensure total compliance with the Staff Code of Ethics. Dr. Abubakar, who took time to explain the Staff Code of Ethics, emphasized the need to all the staff to strictly adhere to the Code of Ethics of the university for optimal performance. He warned that any staff member found in corrupt practices and in total disregard of other Code of Ethics would be appropriately sanctioned.